Welcome to Max on the Block. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, Max on the Block is all about blockchain tech, crypto fundamentals, and giving you step-by-step guides on how to get started. So do hit that subscribe button if you're new here, guys. Make sure to not miss out. So today's video is going to be about 3 major mistakes that beginner investors do when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So step 1, media. Media is a big topic, right? A lot of things are discussed, a lot of news are shared, articles, whatever it might be, right? Especially at times where cryptocurrencies are up or down, there's a lot of articles written about it. The problem here is that people interpret news the wrong way. So news is about gaining traction. An article is about, gaining clicks, hitting likes, all of that stuff, right? It's to gain popularity. The problem is people come and take that news as a source of information and they make trades based on that. And that is an issue because think about it this way. If something has been written about or has been reported, it means it already happened. So it's very unlikely, statistically speaking, that that trade is still going to be very useful for a cryptocurrency, right? Keep a note of that. Step 2, guys, is don't trade based on emotions. So what do I mean here is that you have to be careful when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, and you have to make sure that you can control your emotions. There's 2 very simple terms that people use, and that's called FUD and FOMO. So FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and FOMO means fear of missing out. So the first one relates to when the price of a cryptocurrency is dropping, right? So it dropped 5%, maybe it dropped 10%, and you make a rash decision by selling it because you were panicking and people are saying this is the end for that coin and we need to get rid of it, right? As soon as you do that, you might miss out as well on an opportunity. Why? Because you're selling something that you bought at a good price because it went down, and then it happens to go up afterwards, right? But you already sold, and now you're waiting to see it go down again, but the coin keeps going up and up. Since you're scared of missing out on that trade, you might actually jump back in at a very high price. So FUD usually applies when, let's say, there's a crypto coin, right, that is at $10, you buy in, and after a week, it goes down to $7, $6. So it's dropping by 30%, for example, or 20%, right? And you're scared, right? You start panicking, you don't want to lose money, so you sell, right? You sell while it's going down, and then after some time, it starts going up again. So that coin went from $10 now to $30, right? And all of a sudden, you want to go back into it. And that's FOMO, fear of missing out, right? So when this happens, guys, you actually might lose money while you're trying to make money off that opportunity. And as experience from trading, guys, I want to say that sometimes it's better to miss out on an opportunity than to lose money. Step 3 is about think long term, guys. So don't think a week ahead or a month ahead. Think 6 months ahead. Think a year ahead, 3 years, 5 years. Because basically think about it like this. A lot of people, especially in the short term, they put money in that they can't afford to lose, but they're putting it in because they think they're going to make quick money with cryptocurrencies, right? So people at $17,000 or $18,000, they took money or they took a loan or whatever they did, and they invested into cryptocurrencies thinking it's still going to go up and up and up, right? But the problem is it's money that they can't afford to lose, right? Let's say it's $1,000, which you actually have to pay rent out of, right? So you're thinking it's going to go up to 2K, but it drops to $750. So you have to pull out in order to be able to still pay for your rent, right? So in the short term, we see big sell-offs, and we see them because people are greedy or people want short-term gains, right? People I know that have had a good return on cryptocurrencies, they've waited a year or 3 years or even 5 years, guys. So please keep a note of that as well. That is a wrap, guys. That is the ending of the video. Those are the 3 points I wanted to speak about. I hope they have been useful to you guys, and I hope they've been of value. So if they have, please do hit that like button. Please do subscribe to the channel as well. Leave some comments below, guys. Last but not least, stay safe, stay smart, stay humble, and take care.
That's me.